Construction joints are planned separations in concrete structures, crucial for accommodating movement caused by temperature changes and drying shrinkage. These joints prevent random cracking, ensuring the overall structural integrity of the concrete. Planners carefully design the location and type of these joints for optimal performance. Expansion joints allow for movement, while contraction joints control cracking that results from shrinkage. Different types of joints serve specific structural needs. Proper installation is crucial, including correct placement, sealing, and detailing. This prevents water intrusion and ensures the long-term function of the joint. Regular inspection and maintenance are vital to ensure the joints function correctly over time, which prevents costly repairs down the road. Understanding construction joints is key to creating durable concrete structures, and proper planning, installation, and maintenance are absolutely essential.